Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix oops, something went wrong, please try again on Sweatcoin app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you can't use your app because of this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Most likely you are getting this because your app has experienced a glitch or there is a problem with the app or your smartphone. To fix this, there are quite a number of steps you can take. In the first method, you need to go to your smartphone and look for settings, and under settings go to apps. From apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the apps, search for your app by name, then for stop the app. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache, and finally clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and now go to your phone and try to open your app, and look at that, the problem should have gone away, but you'll still get this error again. Then you want to check if you are connected on a VPN. Sometimes if your VPN is turned on, this might be the reason you are experiencing this. However, if you don't have any proxy or VPN on your phone, then check if we have an update for the app and update it to the latest version. So by following this, now you should have no issue with your app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.